गुड आफ्टरनून। सब्जेक्ट कोड 109 ई प्रैक्टिकल नंबर 8 और आज का टॉपिक है वेरिफिकेशन ऑफ ओम्स लॉ यूजिंग रेजिस्टिव सर्किट एंड डिजिटल मल्टीमीटर। मैं भवानी शंकर पलिवाल, जीपीसी उदयपुर। VI relation on constant temperature. This is the circuit. V is directly proportional to I and V equal to IR. R is the constant. R is the constant of Ohm's law. List of equipment: battery, 0 to 12 volt DC variable power supply, rheostat, unknown resistance, key, voltmeter, ampere meter, connecting wires. This is the instrument we use to verify Ohm's law. This one is rheostat, voltmeter, ammeter, unknown resistance, key and power supply. This is a circuit diagram of to verify Ohm's law. This one is another circuit diagram to verification of Ohm's law. Ampere meter is always connected in any circuit always connected in series, and voltmeter is always connected in any circuit is parallel. We connected to these instruments according to the circuit diagram. Reading 1, we observe reading 1. Now we observe observation reading 2. Then we observe third reading third. This is the observation table. We observe voltmeter reading is 0.5 volt and ammeter reading is 0.2. Now we calculate resistance is 2.5 ohm. Second reading is 1.125 voltmeter, ampere meter is 0.45 and we calculate resistance value is 2.5. Third one is voltmeter reading is 1.35 volt and ampere reading is 0.54 ampere and resistance value is 2.5. This is the graph. We plot graph according to my observation table. We take on x-axis on current and y-axis is volt. So we get a straight line V equal to IR. It means y equal to mx plus c. When c equal to 0, it means y equal to mx. This is another graph to verify Ohm's law. Ohmic material, non-ohmic material to prove verification of Ohm's law and showed it according to observation table according to graph. The differential between I and differential between V, so we calculate R delta V upon delta I. Thank you.